to the channel. So I've got a food shopping order coming later on today, so I always get it delivered because it's just so much easier, especially during the summer holidays and especially with 2 kiddos. So I have got that coming literally in about half an hour. I think the time slot starts then. They give you a 2-hour time slot, so hopefully that will come soon. But what I'm going to do before that comes is I'm just going to clean out the fridge and freezer. They both need it. I know I've got some leftovers that they haven't eaten, so I need to just get rid of those. I'm going to give it a quick clean as well. It's not too bad in there, but whilst I've got time, I'm going to quickly clean it all, and then when obviously the food shop gets here, I'm hopefully going to have a clean fridge and a clean freezer that's nice and organised, so I can then put obviously all the new stuff in there. So let's start off cleaning and organising, and then when the food shop gets here, I will show you what I brought before packing it all away.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing the weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive.
So food shopping has finally been delivered, so I'll quickly show you what I got this time round. I'm hoping this is going to last a couple of weeks, and yeah, I'll just show you what I've got before I start packing everything away. So I did see these burger buns, never had these before, but we like having burgers every now and then, so I picked those up. I've got Rose's favourite pancakes. She absolutely loves these pancakes. Picked up these rolls. So my husband really loves Subway, and I saw these and thought maybe I could make him something similar, not as tasty as Subway, but I thought I would give it a try. And then we did obviously get our favourite bread. Absolutely love this bread, so I've got 2 loaves of the Tiger Bloomer as well. Move this over. Then I did pick up a load of fresh stuff, so I've got a couple of peppers, I've got a cucumber, I've got carrots, I've got onions, I've got some lettuce, got some radish, got also a broccoli this time as well. Then I picked up some yogurt, so I've got the usual yogurts that we like, so I've got a couple of those. And then I did go for the Asda Essentials yogurts, but they didn't have any in stock, so I substituted those for these. So I've never had these before, but I thought Rose would probably like those anyway. Then I got some coleslaw. Then with regards to the fruit, I picked up Pink Lady apples. These were actually on offer this time. I got some bananas, I got the raspberries, also picked up some grapes as well. And then I did get obviously the strawberries, which Rose absolutely loves, and also got some kiwis as well. Then I did pick up our Cathedral City cheese, love this stuff. Also got some of their slices, so these were also on offer, and I thought these would be perfect to go in the rolls. Then I got some potatoes for mash. I've got some baby potatoes as well. I've got quite a bit of meat this time as well, so I've got some pepperoni. I was thinking of doing some homemade pizzas. Picked up some of this beef to put in sandwiches. I picked up a steak for my husband. 2 loads of the Richmond sausages, which we love. I've got some mince, and then also got a load of burgers as well. Got a chicken for us, and then I also got some bacon. So I got the unsmoked bacon and then also the smoked bacon. My husband just likes a difference every now and then. Also picked up this stuff. Absolutely love having this for a quick lunch. So I picked up 2 of those. Got some eggs. We do love having a little chocolate treat, so I've got a selection of chocolates, milk. Also got some crackers as well. So I got this one for my husband. He loves this one. So they had it in stock, so I grabbed those. And I also picked up Rose's favourite, so she loves this one, and she also liked this one as well. So I picked those up. And then down here, picked up the usual pasta sauce we love. Also got a new strawberry jam and some tomato puree. Also picked up 3 loads of this lemon juice. It's quite a small bottle, which is why I got 3 loads. This is perfect for descaling the kettle, but also descaling Logan's sterilising machine, which is why I've stocked up on it. Also got little man's milk, of course, and then it's also in size 2 nappies now, so I got a big pack of those. Then I picked up on some cereal, so I've got this one here, and then also got Frosties as well, and did pick up a selection of crisps along with the rice cakes, which I now found out Rose really loves, and I also stocked up on some little treats as well. So during the summer holidays, these are just great to have in the bag. So I've got a load of stuff, but I was running out of this one, so I picked up some of those, and Rose will be happy that I got her Monster Munch and also her Cheesy Wiggles as well. Then I did pick up some frozen stuff, so it's a little bit dark over here, so hopefully you can see. So I picked up these chunky chips, got 2 bags of those, we really like those. Also picked up our favourite roast potatoes, some vanilla ice cream. I had to have some of the Haagen-Dazs one, absolutely love this. Got some fries to go, got pizzas, which Rose absolutely loves. These Yorkshire puddings are amazing, so I picked up another packet of those. Husband's got his Magnums, so he'll be happy, and then also got some fries as well, and that's all we've got freezer wise. So that is everything, and now that the fridge and freezer are organised and clean, I'm going to pack it all away, and it's just going to look so much better, and it's going to be nice. I've got a full fridge because we've literally been running out of absolutely everything. So let me pack all this away now.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. and my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
The fridge and freezer are looking amazing. I'm so happy, and I absolutely love a full fridge. But I do have a little one now crying at me because he would like his milk, so I'm going to go ahead and feed him. But I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.